Hi everyone, my name is Yalda Hajavi, and I focus my practice primarily on employment-based immigration and family-based immigration. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the J-1 visa program and the waivers that are available to foreign nationals that come to the U.S. on a J-1 visa and who are subject to what's called the 2-year foreign residency requirement. So the J-1 visa program is a great way for foreign nationals to come to the U.S. to seek training in a particular area or field, or to come here to serve as a researcher or a specialist in their area of expertise. The J-1 program essentially requires a foreign national to engage in some type of cultural exchange of ideas between the work that they were doing in their home country and the work that they are seeking to do in the U.S. The program typically lasts anywhere between 6 months to 18 months, of course, with certain exceptions. Important to know about the J-1 program is that certain foreign nationals, depending on the country that they are from and the skill that they are seeking, are subject to what's called the 2-year foreign residency requirement once they enter the U.S. with their J-1 visa. This means that after the completion of their J-1 program, the foreign national must return to their home country for at least 2 years before being able to re-enter the United States. This can be troubling for some individuals because during the time that they come to the U.S., they may develop personal ties to the U.S., such as falling in love and meeting someone in the U.S. and getting married, or they might have professional experiences that they want to stay in the U.S. for, or something happens in their home country and they fear persecution if they were to return. Or the persecution could also be something that had occurred in the past. For these individuals, there are different types of waivers that are available. The most common one is a no objection statement waiver, where essentially the home country of the foreign national tells the Department of State that they do not object to the foreign national to remain in the U.S. Certain foreign nationals cannot benefit from the no objection statement if their country does not issue a no objection statement, and there's no list, unfortunately, out there that tells you which countries do or don't. It's a matter of practice where practitioners learn which countries have these available to them, or you can simply find out by calling the relevant embassy or consulate in the U.S. And the foreign national must not have received any type of government funding for the program. So a Fulbright scholar, for example, cannot ever receive a no objection statement. The Department of State will simply not approve it, and the home country, even if they provide the no objection statement, which is also rare, but let's say they do, again, the Department of State will deny it. The other type of waiver that's available is the exceptional hardship waiver. This is available to individuals that have a qualifying United States citizen relative or a legal permanent resident relative in the United States. Relative has to be a spouse, parent, or child. In these circumstances, if the foreign national can show that their departure from the U.S. for those 2 years can cause exceptional hardship to their U.S. citizen, spouse, parent, or child, or green card holder, then they can remain in the U.S. The types of hardship include psychological hardship, financial hardship, medical hardship, physical hardship, and sometimes even social or educational hardship. The other two waivers, less common, but I'll just go through them very quickly, is the IGA waiver, which is the Interested Government Agency waiver, where a U.S. agency steps in and doesn't object to the foreign national remaining in the U.S. And the last one is persecution. So the foreign national fears persecution if they were to return to their home country. I hope that was a helpful overview of the J-1 visa program and the waivers that are available to foreign nationals who come to the United States and are subject to the 2-year foreign residency requirement. Thank you.